everyone. Today we'll be speaking on environmental monitoring, which is an assessment designed to determine whether or not the waste discharged from an operational activity meets the stipulated guidelines prior to being discharged. It involves regular and periodic analysis of discharges from identified points of reference such as air, soil, effluent, sludge, etc. An environmental monitoring of a project shall commence from the time of preliminary studies to the decommissioning and abandonment phase and site restoration phase. The aim of environmental monitoring is to ascertain compliance to regulatory and other standards, to determine the effectiveness of the profiled mitigation measures, to evaluate how implementation of the environmental management plan has affected environmental components and resources, such as the biophysical, the socio-economic, the health and conflict resolution. It provides early warning to future environmental damages. It enables the company to make or take early corrective measures to avert changes and impacts. Environmental monitoring provides a feedback about the actual environmental impact of a project. Its results help to judge the success of the mitigation measures in protecting the environment and also ensure compliance with environmental guidelines and standards and facilitate any needed project design and operational changes. Methodology used for monitoring exercise. The following are methods or steps used during the execution of a monitoring exercise. First, the team of experts are assembled in accordance to their area of expertise and familiarity with the company. Then a checklist is therefore compiled from the federal regulations and the state edicts. Then a facility walkthrough and inspection of all the facilities carried out, which involve the air quality survey and some critical areas with respect to the particulate matter, noxious gases such as the sulfur oxide, carbon monoxide, ammonia, and nitrogen oxide, and other gases of interest. Evaluation of data obtained. The physiochemical and microbial analysis of sample of wastewater generated and discharged effluent from the company. Then we have the documentation of findings made during the visits and the results of analysis of the samples collected. The evaluation of the company's status with state and federal government environmental laws and regulations. Depending on the classification of the company, those laws are ascertained. Then we have the evaluation of the housekeeping practices. Provide recommendation based on the findings of the monitoring exercise that will ensure continuous improvements in accordance with the state and federal government status on environment, and results obtained from the measurements and the analysis of samples collected and some observation recorded while collecting the samples and during the facility walkthrough or inspection tour. Then we have data processing phase, we have the reporting preparation phase, writing, production, and submission of the company, submission to the company. These are just a brief introduction of environmental monitoring processes. Thank you for watching. Look forward to seeing you more on our subsequent videos. Please don't forget to subscribe and like our YouTube channel. See you soon. Bye.